What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and to begin this look, I'm starting off with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Because I applied my foundation with a brush, I want to go back in with a beauty blender just to make sure that everything is blended together. Next, I'm going in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Normally to set my concealer, I would use my beauty blender, but in this look, just to get a light layer, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Then I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to set my whole face. And to contour, I'm using the BH Cosmetics x Is My Ray Ray Contour Palette. Benefit Their Real Mascara just to coat my lashes. And I'm also going to use that same mascara to set my eyebrows. For highlight, I'm using Laura Geller Gilded Honey. MAC Cork Lip Liner to line my lips. And Hug Me by MAC for lipstick. And boom, y'all, that's it. That's all I got. You wanted a simple, everyday look, and here you go. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next one.